Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we will do a presentation for a project in grammar class.
Oh, My name is Ahmad Fadil Mahmudi,
And my name is Muhammad Arbabil Khiar Bayandrianto.
and so I will start first with my questions.
Presentation.
Hmm. There you okay. So let's start with number 23, which is my supposed to be works. The United States receive a large amount of revenue from taxation of a tobacco products. And so before we start answering about what is the correct answer, let's start by analyzing the whole sentences by itself. And so first and so let's start with the grammatical analysis. First one is the subject. The subject is obviously the United States. This about the sentence, the word United States is a noun phrase by itself, with United States as the noun and the as the prepositions. The next one is the verb phrase. Receive. Receive is a finite verb, as in receives in a present tense and third person singular form of receive. And so that's why this is not a non-finite verbs, because there's none of it in the sentences. The next one is see, which is the object itself. The verb receive is very much transitive, which means that it takes a direct object. What is the object? Well, the object is pretty much the words a large amount of revenue from taxation of a tobacco products, with amount being a head noun, amount, a large amount, being a modifiers, and from taxations of a tobacco products being the proportional phrase modifying of revenue. And so to break it everything down, a large amount of revenue is a direct object, and from taxation of a tobacco products is a proportional phrase. So what is the sentence structure of this whole sentence? Well, to put it simply, this is very much a simple sentences because it contains one independent clause with no or dependent clauses to it. And so what about the dependent clause identification? Well, obviously there is none of it because there is no noun, no adjective, and no adverbial clause in the presence. And so yeah, that is my answer to the sentences. So that's why the right answer is D. Is D. A tobacco. Because why? Because the word tobacco products is on itself a plural sentences, and a is used mostly on a singular sentences, and so that's why the answer is D, because the word a need to be removed entirely. Yeah.
Okay. I will continue the presentation. So, my presentation is about question number 8. Sports medicine is a medical specialty that deals with the identification and treatment of injuries to persons. Before we go to the answer, let us identify the question first. Sports is a noun. Medicine is a noun. Sports medicine is a noun clause. Noun clause. Yeah. Sports medicine is a noun clause. Sports noun clause, even though it is a noun clause, it is function as a subject. Is is a verb phrase. Is 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 a verb phrase that is finite, present participle, and transitive. A medical specialty is a noun clause. A is a preposition, medical is noun, specialty is noun. A medical specialty, if they are combined, they will make a noun clause. Sports medicine is a medical specialty. If they are combined, will make an independent clause. That is a conjunction. Deals is a verb. What deals is a finite verb that is transitive. Deals is a finite verb that is transitive and present participle. Deals is a finite verb that are transitive and present participle. What is a preposition? The is a preposition. Identification is a noun and is conjunction. Treatment is a noun. The identification and treatment, if they are combined, it will make a noun clause. Of is preposition. Injuries is a verb. Injuries is a verb that are finite, transitive, and present participle. Oh, I'm sorry. Injuries is a noun. To is preposition. Persons is a noun. So what do we need here? Looking at the answer from A, C, and D, A, C, and D puts the blank with a subject. The right answer is B. Why? From that to my answer B, sports is an adjective clause. So we need a non-finite intransitive verb, which is B, the answer. The medical specialty that deals with the identification and treatment of injuries to persons involved in sports. All of this, if we conclude this sentence, this sentence is complex sentence because it have independent clause, an independent clause, and a dependent clause. The independent clause is sports medicine is a medical specialty, and the independent one is sports medicine is a medical specialty, and the dependent one is that deals with the identification and treatments of injuries to persons involved in sports. Thank you. That's from me. I guess that's all from us.
Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for watching.
Yay.
Udah ada ini.
Ya, udah.